In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Blackview. You need to begin by opening an app called Files. Following that, select Clean section at the bottom left corner. Scroll down just a bit and click on Clean next to Junk Files. Lastly, hit Allow in the pop-up to confirm your choice. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!